This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food trays, specifically these Pulp Tech to-go trays and lids. They both hold 43 ounces and they come in two options. We have here the 5 compartment and the 4 compartment. And you have two options for lids for either of these. There's the natural flat lid, and there's also a clear plastic option. The trays are made from repurposed sugarcane, which is commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a great alternative to the plastic TV style trays that you can get. They're going to allow you to serve meals while keeping your mains and side dishes separate, which is a fantastic thing, especially if you're doing things like rice with protein and you maybe want a salad that has dressing, some garnish, a dessert, or another side dish. And they're grease-resistant containers, so they're going to keep oils from soaking through, which makes them fantastic for reheating leftovers, especially since they can be put in both the microwave and the freezer. The lids make them easy for to-go or take-home containers, especially if you're doing anything like meal prep and you want to be able to keep stuff in the freezer. So these are a great option for caterers, cafeterias, or even schools. And I love that the lids have a great open spot for labels or branding. So especially if you're going to do things like prepared meals for clients, these are a fantastic way to let everybody know who made it and what's inside.